Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable email notifications in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to your Planner workspace and can manage all your notification preferences. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to reveal various configuration options available in Planner. This is where you can customize how the platform works for you and manage important features like notifications. From the menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Notifications. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control all the ways Planner keeps you informed about task updates, assignments, and other important activities. Having quick access to these settings is essential for staying on top of your projects without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Once you're on the notifications page, you'll see all the available Planner notification options laid out clearly. These settings give you control over when and how you receive emails about your tasks and team activities. Let me walk you through what each option does so you can decide which ones to enable. The first option you'll see is Email Me when someone assigns me a task. This is particularly useful if you're working in a collaborative environment where team members frequently assign tasks to each other. Enabling this ensures you're immediately aware when new responsibilities are added to your plate. Next, you'll notice Email Me when a task assigned to me is late, due today, or due within the next 7 days. This notification is incredibly valuable for staying on top of deadlines and avoiding last-minute rushes. It gives you advance warning about upcoming due dates so you can plan your work accordingly. You'll also see Email Me when someone adds me to a premium plan or portfolio. This notification keeps you informed when you're granted access to new planning resources or when you're included in higher-level project management structures within your organization. Now, beside each of these notification options, you'll find a toggle button. These toggles make it super easy to turn notifications on or off based on your preferences. Simply click on any toggle button to enable the corresponding notification type. You can enable as many or as few as you need depending on how you like to manage your workflow. After you've selected all the notifications you want to receive, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial because it ensures all your preferences are stored and will take effect immediately. Your notification settings are now configured exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications in Microsoft Planner, so you'll never miss an important task update again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.